Let's take a closer look at the ordinary absorbic acid 15% solution. Basically what this is vitamin C, a very high potency. So they have put some oil in it to help with any type of irritation. So what does vitamin C do? It helps to brighten your skin and even out your skin tone. Now I use this every single morning after I cleanse my face and after I put on my hyaluronic acid, then I put on my vitamin C. It goes on very smoothly. I only use this in the morning, but it's not to say that you can't use it at night either. Now, I have been using the Ordinary products for years, and as you can see, I'm 63 years young. These products have certainly hydrated my face, created a smooth, even skin tone, and helped to minimize those fine lines and wrinkles. So if you are looking for products that are very effective, I highly recommend the Ordinary products, and this is the Exorbic Acid 15% solution.